Hey everyone, it is Chris with Online Store Help, and I want to welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I create videos to help you succeed in your online or even offline businesses by doing things online. So in this channel, we will do reviews, we do walkthroughs and tutorials, and we might even do a few giveaways from time to time. So if you're starting an e-commerce store, if you're a brick and mortar store and you need to figure out how to do email marketing or even a little bit of social media or video, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We will do videos from time to time to help you with this type of work. So my name is Chris. A little bit of background about me. I've been doing this since about 2010, so about 8 years. And prior to that, I was actually working for multiple Fortune 500 companies in both finance as well as online. The biggest ones being actually some of the biggest online platforms in the world. So that's where I'm coming from. Hopefully I can help you succeed in your online endeavors. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get more great videos directly into your feed. So I look forward to seeing you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.